So once that area is nice and clean, you're going to want to take the stud welder. It comes with all these little pins in a bag. You're just going to want to slip it right in the tip here. I mean, there's plenty of videos too teaching you how to do this, so just flip that. So if this isn't satisfactory, then go look at one of those, but you want to hold it, get it on one of the low points, and hold it on there for about about 2 seconds. The manual says 1 to 2 seconds. I've heard mechanics say, 3 seconds or so is fine. So in case there's any sparks. So yeah, once again, just use as many as you need to get it on. Doesn't like to work for me. No. Started to work there. Alright, there we go.
I'll hope to see you tonight.
So I got one in. That was really hot. That is no even joke. I didn't know that they were that hot. That burned me. See? So definitely don't do that. Huh, who knew? Start with these 3 for now. I'm just using this little guy for right now. See what I can do with it. There's also a hammering type device, which will give you more bang for your buck. But then too, you don't want to overstretch it or, whatever, hurt the metal. Slowly coming out, hopefully. You do want to keep a metalworking hammer would be nicer, but I just got one of my dad's hammers. If there's parts that you don't want to pop out, then you'll just sort of be pulling on this thing and hammering the other thing lightly to keep it from popping too far outward. But me, I got a pretty big area here which needs to come out, so I'm not all that worried right now. Yeah. Okay, so been at it for quite a while now, and just a mass array of different ones I have. I don't know if you can see all that great from back there, but I don't have anywhere else to put the camera. So, I mean, you're just trying to evenly pull out the metal. This happens to be a very hard spot because of where it is on that crease. Because that metal is very strong on that crease. This whole thing is dented inward towards the middle of the car. It's just very annoying. That's why I have this mass array all trying to bounce or evenly pull out the dent by that stupid crease. Alright, now I think I'm at pretty much as far as I can go of just pulling. I mean, I don't know how well you guys can see this once again. Lighting's crappy in my garage, but it's got a little bit of a lip here in between the door where I've been fixing. I mean, it's incredible compared to what it was, I think personally, because I've been pulling it for a good hour and a half with all these, getting it out. I think it actually looks fairly symmetrical with the body line, and I'll just fill up whatever's left right up over here with Bondo. I don't know how well that's going to turn out being on the corner and all, but you know, if I have to deal with it being a little bit off the door, fine, whatever. It's going to be a lot better than the giant ding that was in it before. I really cannot go much farther without, you know, starting to pull some of these and make a, you know, really ripply mess. So that's where I stand right now. I'm going to start cutting them off and getting ready for Bondo. So when all that grinding's done, then I'm going to pop back to you.